Welcome to a sim code, ready to break down some code, and maybe a few walls while we're at it. Hit that subscribe button, and let's create something amazing. You're not going to want to miss what's coming next. In C++, immediate functions refer to functions that are defined and invoked in a single step. This is typically achieved using lambda functions that are called right after they are defined, often in a concise and efficient manner. Here we are including the iStream library, which will allow us to perform input and output operations like printing to the console. This is the header that gives us access to std function, which provides flexibility for handling function objects and lambda functions. The cmath library is included here for any mathematical functions you might want to use. It's not essential for the core concept, but it could be useful. In C++, immediate functions, like lambdas, are a convenient tool. They allow you to define and execute a function in a single step. Immediately invoke lambda function. Let's begin by demonstrating a basic immediate function. A lambda function is defined here and invoked immediately. The function returns a value, in this case 42, which will be captured and stored in result. This syntax calls the lambda function as soon as it's defined. Here we print the result of the lambda function execution, which should output 42. Next, let's look at an immediate function that takes parameters, which is another powerful feature. The lambda computes the sum of the two parameters. We pass in the parameters 5 and 7 directly to the lambda function for immediate execution. Here, the result of adding 5 and 7, which is 12, will be printed. Now let's use std function to store a callable object. This is useful if you need to pass functions around. This lambda multiplies the two parameters x and y. We call the function immediately with the arguments 4 and 6. Here, the product of 4 and 6, which is 24, is printed as the result. And we are done. This marks the end of our demonstration. Now run our code. That's it for today, folks. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.